The woman who spent 8 years in prison after being wrongfully convicted will get around $1.9 million from the county that put her behind bars. The 58-year-old Marshall woman has been fighting Calhoun County for nearly 16 years. New at 6, Martin Dieters sat down with the attorney who won that settlement. Martin.
Well, Lorinda Swain was sentenced to 25 to 50 years in prison even after her adoptive son recanted his accusations that said she had sexually abused him. That conviction was overturned after the state Supreme Court found that Calhoun County law enforcement failed to disclose evidence that could have exonerated. That's something they're required to do by law. But even after she was exonerated, she had to fight another battle to get the monetary compensation the law indicates the wrongfully convicted are entitled to.
It's really the first time in decades that she hasn't had some kind of legal proceeding hanging over her heads.
In the federal court lawsuit filed against the county in the estate of Detective Guy Pickens, who died in 2010, Swain argues her constitutional right to due process was violated when Pickens interviewed her ex-boyfriend and did not disclose the interview to her defense team. The lawsuit contends if Swain's counsel had had that statement, she would have been acquitted at trial and not wrongly convicted.
Allows her access to the resources to do the things that she's been pining to do, frankly, for years, for her family and for herself.
The settlement agreement came today.
And it's a great resolution for the county as well because it allows them the opportunity to save attorney's fees.
Had this case gone to trial, it could have taken at least 18 months to 2 years to resolve, and the judgment against the county could have been much more than $2 million. The suit called for the county to change the way it trains and supervises investigators and the way interviews are recorded. While the settlement does not contain those provisions, Bucklighter says the award will incentivize the county to make changes to avoid multi-million-dollar lawsuits in the future.
In the hope that it will keep the system honest, make people careful about what they do that might expose themselves to risk.
The attorney says the award from the county means the state is off the hook when it comes to compensating her client for time in prison, something the attorney general has been fighting. But this settlement is more than she would have received from the state.
It's really a thrilling time for her.
The attorney said her client is eternally grateful to the University of Michigan Innocence Clinic, which she believes saved her life. Earlier today, we reached out to the Calhoun County Administrator, Prosecutor, and Sheriff. None provided comment. The Calhoun County Board of Commissioners has to make the final approval of this settlement, and their next meeting is June 7th. In studio, Martin Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.